Alright, time to begin my midnight howling.
Are you freaking kidding me? For the love of Arceus. This is getting ridiculous.
Huh? Charmander, what are you still doing up?
Do you not hear that howling?
No, not really.
Well, I do, and it's getting on my nerves! Hey! Huh? People are trying to sleep! Keep it down! Ugh! The nerve of Sun people! Hopefully I can be able to get some sleep.
He's got some issues.
So, Pikachu, we're sharing a pillow.
Don't think too deep into it.
Ah, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. They're great! That's Frosted Flakes, dude. Ow.
Hey, Charmander, rise and shine. Barely got any sleep. Why? Because of that freaking Lycanroc?
Yeah, it's kinda hard to sleep when it's just howling at the top of its lungs. Seriously, dude?
Ah, they're magically delicious. That's Lucky Charms. I do agree. We need to sort him out.
Like, what are you guys talking about? There's a midnight Lycanroc that comes out and starts howling at the top of his lungs. And it's extremely annoying.
I know, but what can we do about him? Lycanrocs are strong.
Oh, I can help you sleep.
Don't touch me. I mean, we have a ground type, a fighting type, and a water type. So fighting him is not too far out of the question. True, but even if we want to fight him, Lucario's gonna make us all go to bed.
What if we pull an all-nighter?
Charmander, did you not listen to what I said?
Axio's right. Dad's just gonna make us all go to bed. Yeah, but think about it. He says we all have to go to bed. That doesn't mean we have to go to sleep. What are you talking about? I'm talking about we go to our rooms, but we don't fall asleep. We wait till Lucario falls asleep, then we sneak outside, find the Lycanroc, we fight him, and then we'll be able to have a full night's sleep.
That's a good plan and all, but what if Lucario wakes up while we're fighting?
Oh, don't worry. Dad takes sleeping pills, so he'll pretty much be out like a Snorlax. See? Simple solution to a simple problem. Okay, but what if Mischievous stooges us? Don't worry. She won't.
I hope you're right, dude. Cause I don't want to get in trouble.
Don't worry. We won't. Trust me.
Let's just hope this works, because I really need some sleep. Ah, the snack that smiles back. That's not even a cereal.
Is he asleep? He's out like a light. Alright, come on guys, let's get outside. Alright, let's go kick that Lycanroc's butt!
Yeah, cause we need some sleep.
Okay, I don't see the Lycanroc anywhere. Maybe he's not coming out tonight. but midnight Lycanrocs always come out at night. Huh, he must not be here yet. Let's wait. Charmander, it's hot, it's dark, and there's maybe other monsters out here. You really want to wait?
Riolu's right. As much as I want to get some sleep, I don't want to get murdered.
Yeah, and it's really scary out here. Okay, fine, let's get back inside. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard it too.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Eevee, get a hold of yourself. There it is again. Okay, I'm starting to get freaked out.
I got a bad feeling about this. You know what? I think I'm going back inside.
Yeah, me too, wait for me!
You know what? Let's just cut our losses and go back inside.
What's the matter, Larvitar? Getting scared?
What? No, I'm not scared. I'm getting bored, if anything. Yeah, man, this is getting boring. I'm going back inside.
Alright, suit yourself. Who else wants to go back in? Me?
Me? You know what, Charmander? Let's just go back inside. That Lycanroc's not showing up.
You know what? Fine. Let's just get back inside. Really? We're just going back inside? Yep. This was a waste of a scene. Ah, man, this bites.
So, how did it go?
That freaking Lycanroc no-showed.
No showed. That's interesting.
Also didn't help that half of us are Torchic dung.
I wasn't one of them because I no-sell fit. Oh, hi, Miss Strevis.
Hi, Riolu.
Yeah.
He is hopeless.
What was that about? Oh well.
Oh my Arceus, it's so hot. Yep, perfect weather. Well, yeah, perfect for you because you're a fire type. Then you gotta admit, Charmander, I'm a water type and I can feel the heat. Yeah, whatever. The faster we get this done, the faster we can go back inside.
Personally, I like the heat. It feels good. Even though I'm a grass type and I pretty much get owned by fire type moves. The heat's just nice. Helps my bulb grow.
See, Bulbasaur's optimistic, and he's weak to fire. So why can't you two be? I guess. Uh-oh. Huh? Riolu, what's wrong? Are your aura senses tingling again? Yeah. Feels like a rock type.
A rock type? It couldn't be Larvitar. He's still asleep.
It's not another Team Dark Rogue member, is it? No, I don't feel any dark poison or ghost energy. It's like pure rock. And it's coming from the backyard. Come on. Where is it? Sup? Whoa! What is it, Rio? There you are! So you kids were looking for me last night, were you? You thought you were gonna try to take me down last night, did you? So you're the Lycanroc that's been bothering us. That's midnight Lycanroc to you!
Wait, if you get up at midnight, what are you doing up now?
Simple. I'm tired of people telling me to stop my howling. Even my brothers kicked me out of the house. And now I'm furious. And what better way to kick all your little butts for fun? And if you got a problem with that, you can go ahead and run. Or else, let's get nuts! Looks like we're gonna have an obligatory boss fight. Yep, that's gonna be the case. Come on, guys, let's get him! Smoke screen! So you want to lower my accuracy?
Okay, then I'm gonna make this hurt. But first, Howler!
Ha! Brick break!
Crush Claw!
Ow!
Oh, you think you're nickel slick, huh? Let's see how you like one. Energy Ball!
Dragon Pulse!
Oh, what you got coming? Stone Edge!
Whoa!
Be still, you little...
Oh, not again!
You're really starting to annoy me, child. Crush Claw!
Too slow!
Ow! Hey! What do you want?
Nothing, just want to give you this.
Aqua Tail! Oh! That's it! I'm gonna destroy all of you!
Just try it!
Outrage!
Ow! Oh, smoke screen!
Oh no! Sludge Bomb!
You need to cool down! Ice Punch! Uh-oh. He's confused! Now's our chance! Brick break!
What? Energy Ball!
Tomodachi, now! I'm sending him towards you! Aqua Tail! Dragon Pulse! We did it! And all I got was a massive headache.
Yeah. That outrage almost took us out. Wow. You kids are strong.
That's right, we're strong.
No, seriously. I'm impressed. Who are you kids?
We're Team Soul Spark.
Team Soul Spark, huh? I'll remember that. You kids keep getting stronger. I'll just go back into the woods. Probably make it up to my brothers. See y'all. I guess that Lycanroc wasn't so bad after all.
Yeah. You'd think that he looks more like a punk, he'd be more toxic, but I guess not. Yeah. Oh, I'm tired. Let's go back inside. Oh my Arceus, yes! Let's get out of this freaking heat!
I wonder what that Lycanroc meant by having brothers.
I don't know, but I want to get out of this heat.
I guess I'll go back inside.